In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI influencer Faceswap video to generate a hook for any social media content to grab attention. Now, you are not using those type of footage for like a minute or 2 minutes. You might use that for maybe just 5 seconds. And that's what we can do using HailuAI. We're going to hop over to Pikzels. This is the premium version with the Faceswap feature. So click on Faceswap. So right here, we can upload a static image of somebody that we want to swap the face of. So right here, I already have an image of Mr. Beast. And we're going to swap it to Joe Rogan. So hit Upload File. I already have an image of Joe Rogan saved. Select the file, hit Open. When you generate a face swap, it takes up to 3 credits. Hit to generate. Now let's wait for it to finish up. Now we have this image, and we're going to hit to download. Now let's hop over to Canva. Upload the file. We're going to resize it. Hit share, and hit to download. Obviously, we'll have to reorient the image to a vertical version, and then we're going to animate this image. Now let's hop over to HailuAI. This is a generative AI video generator. What we can also do is turn an image into a video. Now all we need is to animate the image we just created to make it last 5 seconds. And that's an interesting hook we can use in our ads. So hit image to video, click to upload, and we're going to upload the image we just generated. Hit open. Now we have this image here. You can reorient it if you want, but right now we're going to give it a description. We're going to prompt it. You can prompt anything you want, but for this example, we're going to just make it, please make the person in the image scream. And then smile. When we create something like this, it's going to look odd, but it's going to grab the viewer's attention in our TikTok and Instagram or Facebook short form videos. So down here, we're going to hit generate, and it's going to take up to 30 credits. Now you can see on the right hand side, it's generating, so we're going to let it finish. Okay, now we have this video generated of this person smiling, screaming. It looks odd, but that's the secret. We want to use just a couple frames of this video and insert that into our video ads to grab attention, to hook the viewers. And that's what we can do with Pikzels and HailuAI. So if you want to use this type of workflow to create attention-grabbing hooks in your affiliate videos on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, I got a link in the description that you can try it out. Thanks for watching.